Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at the Taskmaster 17.5 inch by 6 3/4 inch Trinity Series black fork aluminum trailer wheel with the 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. Now this is an aluminum wheel. It's very durable, lightweight, and rust proof. And we mentioned it's the Trinity Series 8 fork spoke design. You can see the fork designs right here. There's 8 of them. They are in black. If you notice, they'd have a machined silver accent on the edge of the spokes and even on the lip, which provides a nice bold, sleek look. The glossy black enamel coating resists corrosion. And one of the neat features I like on this wheel is right in here, the lug nut wells. They put these steel inserts. These inserts will help keep your wheel securely in place on your trailer hub. Basically, when you set your wheel and tire up on the studs, put your lugs on, torque it down. When you're torquing it down, those inserts prevent those holes from elongating and wearing down, so it eliminates the need for constant retightening of your lug nuts. The center cap is included. You can see if we pop that out. It is a metal center cap, and what's nice with the center cap is they do offer this pop-out plug in here. You can see if I turn around, that can be popped out. And the reason they do that is if by chance you have easy lube axles on your trailer, that'll come in handy, because easy lube axles are the ones that have the grease zerk fitting on the end of the spindle of the axle. Allows you to attach a grease gun, pump grease into your bearings without having to remove your whole tire and wheel assembly. So if you do have those, when this is installed, all you have to do instead of taking the whole assembly off is just pop out the center plug, put your grease gun in there, pump the grease onto the grease zerk fitting. Also, if you notice right over here, they do use a metal valve stem, which is pre-installed on the wheel. Now this wheel does meet the SAE J1204 standards. A few dimensions on this: the diameter, 17.5 inches, and that's always measured inside to inside. So just to show you, if we take our ruler and we go inside, there's your 17.5 inch measurement. The width is going to be the same way. It's bead seat to bead seat, so it's going to measure inside to inside. And there's going to be your 6 3/4 inches wide wheel. Now the bolt pattern on this is a 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. And if you want to measure that, it's pretty easy, because on a wheel with an even number of lugs, like in this case 8, the lug holes you can see are right across from each other. So when you go to measure it, just pick any hole. Let's say this one. And you'll measure from the center of this hole directly across to the center of the hole right across from it. So on this, it'll measure 6.5 inches, so it's an 8 lug 6.5 inch bolt pattern. It does use a wheel lug size of 9/16 by 18. The pilot hole diameter that the cap goes through and also goes over the hub on your axle is 4.9 inches. And the weight capacity on this wheel is 4,850 pounds. But that should do it for a look at the Taskmaster 17.5 inch by 6 3/4 inch Trinity Series black fork aluminum trailer wheel with the 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern.